Ubuntu is something that exists in every culture.
But most importantly,
Ubuntu
lives within each of us.
Lives within each of us.
Connecting us to a greater whole.
connecting us to a greater whole.
Connecting us to a greater whole.
What we build with this understanding shapes our legacy.
From one nation
And generation to another.
now is the next generation of leaders.
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 That will build a legacy of longevity,
Affluence.
Wisdom,
Self-assurance.
The ability to play on the global stage.
on a global stage.
and succeed.
We are here to empower the next generation of leaders for a bold tomorrow.
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 This is our Ubuntu.
This is our Ubuntu.
This is our Ubuntu.
This is our Ubuntu. How do you create Ubuntu?
How long is pharmacy school?
6 years.
And then after that, what happens in Thailand?
You can work. Yeah. After 6 years, you have to test, and if you pass, you can work anywhere in Thailand.
Do you want to go work internationally, like come and work in Africa?
I have to test again, international test,
Ah.
so I can do abroad.
Okay, but like all the time when I go to the pharmacies, I see Thai medicine, like traditional Thai medicine.
Mm-hmm.
Can you not do traditional Thai medicine?
We have to learn about that again.
Ah.
Yeah, because I learned about the international medicine, not traditional.
Where can I go learn about Thai traditional Thai medicine?
Langsit University.
Lancet?
University. It's near Bangkok. It's in Pathum Thani.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do they have? Like
They have
acupuncture?
No, I'm not acupuncture. It's a traditional Thai
Oh.
massage and herb.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just 4 years for study that.
4 years?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a long time. Okay, so I was thinking of going to study traditional Thai medicine, and my brother is telling me that it's a 4-year study and I have to move all the way to Bangkok, close to Bangkok. I don't know if that's gonna work. Maybe I can just learn massage
Yeah, massage.
or maybe Thai herb. You know, I really want to learn.
Massage you just learn is for 1 or 2 months.
But what about Thai herb? Can't I learn Thai herb?
Thai herb is you can learn by yourself in the internet. Yeah,
Oh.
it's not that hard.
Can I ask the grannies to teach me? Don't the grannies know how to do herbs?
No, not everyone. But some
Your mother doesn't know. Your mother knows because she cooks. You said your mother cooks a lot.
just a herb in the food, not for the medicine.
Oh, okay. If you find somebody who does medicine, you tell me. And I go with them to go pick herbs.
Okay.
You see? I have amazing brothers. Okay, now I'm done with my brother. I'm being bitten by ants. Check it out. I have so many ant bites. And I'm sitting by the lake here. So there's lots of mosquitoes. So I'm drinking my chlorophyll water. My boobs are coming out. It's so hydrating. I love chlorophyll. It's like greens. I drink, I would say 5 times a week if I'm not traveling. If I'm at home, I drink as much, but I make it myself at home. This one I just bought here. It's very hydrating and It's really good for detoxification, especially when you're steaming. You must drink a lot of water when you're steaming. I like to drink greens, a lot of greens when I'm steaming, because I just need to put in the good nutrients. And I use a lot of essential oils like Palo Santo, sage. You can find Palo Santo and sage essential oils. So I use that. It's so good. It's so good. So now I have so many mosquito bites. So I'm finished. I'm gonna go back and do my steaming. Oh, these mosquitoes. That's why like steaming outside is something else. Mosquitoes are just too much. But I love being out in the steams. It's good for your skin, it's good for anti-aging, it's good for your health. Even look at my eyes, they've gotten wider. Sometimes when you drink too much coffee, man, like my teeth, of course, you have coffee stains in your teeth, which I'm working on. But even sometimes your eyes like start showing like toxins from the coffee or whatever you're eating. So when I've been drinking a lot of coffee, I start seeing it here in my eyes, and I'm just like, so then I detox. But I come here once a week. I'm trying to come here now. This year I'm gonna make an effort to come at least 3 times a week, because it's really not that difficult. So after work, after temple ends at 5. Oh no, it closes at 6:30. So I can either come before temple or after temple and steam. It's good to steam. It's good to steam. It's so good to steam. Steam your pot. Steam your pot. Steam your pot. There you go. So I have my sister Yulia.
Hi,
Please tell us where you're from.
I'm from Russia. I know a lot about steaming actually. This is very cultural thing. So this is what I learned actually from my mom and my grandmom. So my mom is half Ukrainian, half Russian. Actually, no, sorry. My mom is Ukrainian and my dad Russian. So I am half Ukrainian, half Russian. And this is what both culture actually brings to my life. And steaming was, I think, one of the healing process for our bodies, souls. This is for the women community, union.
Uniting women together.
Uniting. Yes, sure. And as a makeup artist, I've met 3 women in my life. They were around 70, but they looked like 50. And I was like, 3 different, absolutely women. They never met each other. And 3 questions. How? How could you be and look so young and such years? And 3 of them told me, it's Banya. Banya every week, or sauna every week. Using all this stuff, like rubbing the skin, especially face, like with those how to call it stuff? I don't know.
The scrubs. Is salt, sugar scrub?
No, not a scrub, but the foaming.
The sponge. No?
The sponge, yes.
The loofah.
Loofah.
The loofah.
Yes, true.
Yes, the
so
loofah.
The hardest loofah, which you sometimes use for your feet,
Right.
you use for your face.
What?
Because this is somehow doing every week. It's like a face massage. 3 different women, perfect skin, like lack of wrinkles. Oh my goodness! So this is how I started to do it in my life.
Wow. So how many years have you been doing Banya?
I think 12 or 15, something.
What?
it.
So okay, so like the practice is best done once a week.
Yeah, I try to do it once a week. It's not as cheap in Moscow where I live than in the other cities of Russia.
You know, I like the banya where they hit you with the leaves.
Yes.
Oh my god, I like that one where they beat you with the
But
leaves.
it's not about beating. It's about taking all the steam from the up
Oh,
because you put a special essence
Mm.
on the stones.
Mm.
So all the steam goes up, and you need to grab it with this
the leaves.
the leaves. So you grab it, you hit them,
Mm.
and put into the body. You don't actually beat people's skin. Yeah, you just do this. Like this.
I've had that done. It was so. After I had that, I said never. I'm not going to try any other massage but this. And then I had to leave America and I came
It
here.
is.
But it's amazing. Have you found a Russian salt banya here?
Here, no, here. There is the hammam, I guess, called dom. The dom.
The dome?
Yeah, you
Oh,
have to try it. I will send you the link.
okay.
My boyfriend is a really good with doing this
The steam.
procedure. Yeah, process.
What?
Yeah. So
Why are you leaving? Why are you leaving? So they can do it at the dome? They do that at the dome?
they actually don't have leaves, unfortunately. I don't know where to buy it.
Where is your husband? This man, this. Come, handsome. Yeah,
So we're
he's-
talking about Banya, and actually saying that you are the best in doing this process.
Right.
This is my brother. Isn't he just so handsome, my brother, with my sister? Ooh, the Russians are here. Yes,
Thank you.
God is good.
You're incredible.
You are incredible. Okay, tell me about the leaf thing, because I had it done in Vegas. You know when you do the banya and they take the leaves, bum, bum, bum,
Okay.
and they bring down the steam? What is that about?
It's just your inner heat have to come
You
from
can do that?
inside. Yeah. I can do it slightly. Yeah, I can
So
try.
you're a shaman.
Last
Yeah.
one in it.
Maybe in my past lives, maybe some.
Oh, in your past life, you're a shaman. You're a healer. Chuk, 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 chuk.
Yeah, now I remember some things. Yeah, maybe that's what it is.
That's good.
But I can try. I can try.